So yesterday was a monumental date for say for this project, and today I'm a little sick, but everything's okay. Good. And I'm ready to start. Fuck, I was talking. Okay, but yeah, I was saying that yesterday was a monumental step in the project. It's so weird my voice, but yeah, I'm a little sick too. Okay, I just wanted to make sure that the microphone sounds good. Sam 2000 decom. Ping everyone. Okay, so so there's this thing called draw text. Okay, have I done the draw text function? If not, it's time to do it. No, thanks, Mr. Snip Paste. Oh, that's mem, not mess. Draw text. Ah, and it's done. Did I do it while I was away? Hmm. Maybe. Found tools. Draw. Okay, it's marked as medium, which is insane. uh, it doesn't look that big, you know. It's big, but not balls to the wall big. But don't I need to first like is escape character? Is not even correct. And oh, what the fuck happened here? Yeah, maybe it's because of this. Look how big this is. But I don't see any, and I'll escape char. I don't need to do this now, like immediately, but I'm kind of curious to see how, you know, where's the actual rendering, as it seems to be missing. Okay. What? And okay, there's a big thing that goes straight here. I don't know how much stuff got in line, but maybe that font fixture width. I have no idea. Too many characters. Like, it doesn't look big, to be honest. What is this? FF. This is V31. Hmm. How how wait, I should know what is this because it's mandatory for this. Let me see how many to dos I have here. Get font. Nice. Hmm. Yeah, okay. So this is done. It's diff just to make sure that I don't have other shit here. Okay. AM font. So I have the constructor. I have no idea what these null subs are. Seems that I'm missing a lot of stuff. I should do this as soon as possible. The fuck is this? What the hell am I looking at? Hmm. Not big. I should. I have no idea what I'm looking at. Hmm. What the fuck? Hmm. 21. 21 minus 8. 13. Maybe let me just look at some stuff here. Big ups, man. Um, I downloaded this font stuff the other day. Where is it? All right, no. Yeah. ATMX at I have never seen you, but welcome to the stream. Um, so this was done by Zedek, not this one. Everything that's here. Actually. Oh, these are the index of the string to A's. And yeah. Oh, I didn't know that they have tildes and shit. But yeah, this code was done by Zedek. I think like a couple years or months ago. I might be wrong. He was playing with font stuff, so I asked him for it, and he provided it to me. Quite cool. But yeah, look at this annoying ass piece of code. Okay, minus 64. That's all. Actually, kind of confused about because this looks like it's a switch statement. To be honest, I'll write it as a switch statement. This is a good one to test later. Like if I have some broken text, don't be that. It won't be the end of the world. That's what I want to say. Um, Listen. Oh, that's the char map. Wow, okay. 68 is the character map. Uh, okay, no, still not good. So this is okay. Um, I think someone have most likely done this by hand because it looks crazy to do. So yeah, the dude is gone. And it's so funny that some people drop by the stream, say like, "Hey," and then disappear. I have no idea what is this piece of code here. Dun, dun, dun. This is the case for whether it's number not zero, and this is for zero, right? Yeah, okay. This is for one. Ooh, ooh. Will fall out here. And recognizer. Just do this. This field for C. It should be working. Return truncation from const int to char. Ah, fuck off, man. How about now? No. I need to do this. Fuck's sake, okay. Now I need to add case 0. That's basically it. Jeez. What the fuck, man? So disgusting, this piece of code, man. Wait, so it kinda goes into case 0. And there's no default for this one, right? So if it doesn't go in here, right, it will fall off into case 0. Yeah, that's true. So case 0 must mandatorily come. No break. Fuck. Jesus. Okay. I, I'm genuinely confused about these things. Like, what's the point? Like, it's switch inside of switch. Like, what the fuck, man? Instead of this switch A2, there's another switch A2. Like, what the fuck? Mm-hmm. Alrighty, yo. Mhm. Now it's time to do the fucking mess that is this Switch. I'm actually shocked by how disgusting it is. But yeah, why is this not syncing? What the fuck, man? I'm actually confused. Because this, because this, what the fuck, man? This is fucking insane to have this coded in the game, but um, ah, look how pathetic this shit is, man. Like, what the? Why there's a switch inside of a switch? I don't know if it's either being stupid, but damn, there are some things that are better left alone. Like, this could just be. This doesn't need a switch statement. That's the crazy part. Could just be a, an array in memory. It will be much more efficient. It smells. And it's this insanity over here. Wait, I'll need to see whether this builds. Results true. Okay. Uh, let's control. Okay, perfect. Now I need to go down here. Now it's this tiny insanity. Font. Ah, shit. I have no idea what these are, but mm. What the hell? What the what the kids? Actually, I need to see whether these builds. Okay, it builds with an error. Mm. Fucking hell, man! This is embarrassing. The go-tos, man. It's fucking embarrassing. Okay. Oh, it's a. What the? Why does it go? Okay. I can fix this. can fix. Man, this is horrible. Ida is choking. Like looks like a fucking switch statement. Yeah, actually, I think this is like this. Yeah, I think this is what's going. So if it's not any of these, it will just drop here. Okay. Uh, good question. I'd say I don't know. It could be a mix of. I actually don't know. It's the first time that I see something atrocious as this. Um, if I had to guess, I think someone just hand wrote this, like, and then it worked once, so they had no reason to go back to this. But this is something that's easy to validate, to be honest. Where the hell? I'm missing one thing. Hmm. Is it in line, the escape character thing? That's right here. Wow. So this doesn't look remotely similar. So which kind of implies that I was wrong, sadly. But this is fixable. Like this is insanity. Okay, compared to, so the two. Wait, let me just reduce the size. I need to bring my second monitor. I need to install my second monitor. Jesus. Uh, do this. So hmm. Alrighty. So let's fix this, and I put fix in quotation because damn. No, that's we are already on zero. I have no idea. So the indentation looks fine. So it's not fine. Okay, this should build, but it's not correct. Okay, there's something that caught my attention here. So at the end of 2, this is set to 0, right? So let's do it that way. So right here, P3 equals 0. Now it's a little better. I think this is correct though. Okay, this should change stuff just at a higher level. Like when assembly at a high level looks similar with get chart index, it's easier to focus on what I want to. Yeah, okay. As you can see now, it looks much better, especially this block. Um, but yeah, it could also be like auto-generated code. It's hard to say. Okay, this looks fine. 113 cases. That's Hmm. Okay. So I guess I can redo this thing. I think this was like handwritten, like the if else. Let's do this part over here. Let me just get some water because this will take a little. Okay, based on the way this is here, it kind of doesn't seem like a switch statement. 192, 193. Is this a like? Yep. No, no, no. What the fuck? Oh, for B. Okay. This will make my life easier. Alrighty, let's just see how is it looking like, or else I won't just continue on this avenue. Like this is something that can be pre-calculated. I don't know why they would go these routes. Seems just insanity. Insanity. Why are these guys like separating like? Oh my bad. This is basically how it was written. So let's do this right. So if char d4, return char for e. So if a2 char d9 or a2 char da or a2 char, oh no, let's just, so return char for f. It's not that many, but damn. Let's do this one over here. So if a2 char hc, if char can believe they like it seems more and more like it was unwritten. But yeah, like there are some parts of this code that they could just pre-calculate stuff. Like this character index. There are only 255 characters. There are 3 supported modes, so 0, 1, and 2. So it's 255 times 3. Like that fits easily in memory. All of this work seems kind of goofy, to be honest. But I guess it was just, they wanted to ship the game. Or so that's something that a lot of, like, even on my day-to-day job, I've worked with some people that are so focused on getting the fanciest looking system in terms of, good code and whatever, but they missed the deadline for pushing that shit to production, so the project gets cancelled. And but yeah, so I totally understand that when you have this piece of code working, why you wouldn't touch it, because you're creating a video game. When you've got text rendering on the screen and you already support the different languages, because I know there are some characters for like German and Spanish. I kind of understand why the developers will be like, yeah, I'm not touching that again. Or if they needed to touch, it will just be some kind of one-time thing. Okay, I goofed up on this one, so what I need to do is add here an R, A2, char, E1, yeah, is it. If A2, so if equals E7, 56. Oh, I finished the album. Uh, yeah, it's literally what happens. Like, I've been in my work sometimes debugging some stuff. I work with .NET, so the stack traces in .NET are pretty clean. But then I can go into the other team's repositories because they ship the libraries and I can just go there, and I'm surprised about some stuff that I find. And the funny thing is that usually the codes that hasn't been touched in like 1, 2 years, if you say that there's a problem, the teams that don't want to touch that code again are like, yeah, you need more proof, man. We're not going to dive deep into that. And I dealt with that recently. So proving that their code was buggy was interesting stuff to do. Um, but from their point of view, I understand like they have some other priorities for the semester and whatever. But man, mm-hmm. So even though that I like software development, I understand that for my day-to-day job, I'm only a software developer in paper, not really for what they need. Like for remember in my first internship, it was quite funny. I I had recently had a database class about internal stuff and optimizing, and no one in corporates followed those rules. It was incredible, like how even we were able to squeeze any performance. And during my internship, even though I was a software engineer, I was doing a lot of database optimizations. But the thing is that the people treated me like I was some kind of genius, but I was just following common things. Or, there were a lot of queries that were scheduled for 8 a.m. because it was before people came to work. And, bombarding the database at 8 a.m. with 50 queries, it's not a good experience. So, one of the biggest gains that I have was just scheduling them like for 6, 7 a.m. And people were so happy that they could run more stuff. Um, but yeah, corporate is fun, especially when you know how to get promoted. And I mean in a legit way, not um so 5D, so FC 5D. So FC 5D. And we're here. Oh my god, I can't believe this. So that whole switch statement was converted to this. So it looks more like, yep, see, it looks more like what's going on here. Ah, I love this so much. I don't know why this is showing it like this. Okay, cool. Do this to later time. If v2. Okay, it's a if statement actually. Actually, just and it's an if zero. Okay, I was completely wrong. So that's amazing, bro. Jesus. So the code here it's if v3 and then do the case 0 stuff, right? Okay, I need to fix this switch statement too. Which I'm kind of glad, not gonna lie. But yeah, yay, more of whatever this is. Hmm. We're knowing what an index is puts. Whether or that's, but yeah, it's one interesting thing is that I like about corporates, which is they love graphs and stuff. So if you know the basics of like Grafana, um, create these fancy looking dashboards, they will eat it up, and you know, just kind of some visualization will be the best day of their lives. Um, okay, so I can else if v3 equals 1. Do 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 do. Can remove the break from here. Now, yeah, okay. So I need to check case 1, and then I'll do a like a scaffolding commit. But yeah, one of the cool things about going for matching the compilation type stuff is that I'm now more confident now that I rewrote this code that it will work. So no, what the fuck, man? So FC. Oh yeah, there's no code, so that's why it doesn't go to. Yeah, okay. I was being a little of an idiot, but yes. Okay. Mhm. Oh man. Um. Yeah. Usually, my opinions about LLMs I need to keep to myself. But yeah. Oh yeah, another thing that is relevant. Uh, learn when to keep your your opinions to yourself. In this case, about LLMs. Man, it's. I need to be honest. I'm a big hater of LLMs, but on a couple times, for example, I have Copilot for Visual Studio, and a friend of mine recommended it to me. I was rewriting doing some refactorings, and not gonna lie, it was actually amazing. I was rewriting some code, and it was picking up my code style, and it was that point that I said, "Man, this actually has potential." But it still hallucinates. I remember that I was writing test cases, adding some assertions, and it just wanted to add some assertions that didn't exist for some fields. And I was so confused why the fuck it was forcing it so hard. But yeah, maybe they just need to do what Apple does and give them the instruction, do not hallucinate. But I still keep up to date with the LLM stuff. because who knows that if I need to jump on that hype train, like a salary is a salary, so. And to do what I do, I need to pay the bills and stuff. Even though that I'm pretty good, I wouldn't say no to being better. But yeah, so 20. Okay. Now we're back, baby. Back to the cascading style sheet. No, not cascading style sheets, but yeah. Mm-hmm. So so 3F. I can go on. Remember that it had 32. Ah, okay. Okay. Less or equal. Ah, interesting. This is one of the stupidest things ever. So if it's 3F. Oh, and 4C. Okay, okay. Yeah, I was about to snap at that. Like that's a tautology. I don't know why they hand roll this, but I wish one day I could talk with the developers. I already talked in other for the Enter Electro game, but I have no idea if they will know about what the hell happened for this to be like this. Anywho, so I'm rebuilding constantly, so in case that I introduce an error, I can fix it as soon as possible, and it gives me confidence that that piece of code is not working, but is valid. And why Ida is stretching its limbs like this to E28? Look at how much. It's like the Holy Spirit can fit in the middle, man. And 028, return char 028. I had no idea what was going on there. Oh, now it's going to the right. Oh my fucking god, this is. Oh, okay. Does it end? Where does it end? Where does it end? Damn, it just keeps going. And. Okay. This is the end. So look at this stair. It goes here, and goes here. So I need to do this, all of this, which is doable. Ah, boring but doable. When I tell people that the compilation project is boring, this is what I mean. Like, this is the least glamorous stuff to be doing. Like, jump less. Yeah. You couldn't convince anyone to do this. Um, like, hey bro, this is so fun. On the other hand, this is highly rewarding. Interesting. Mm. So I'm here. Oh, C0. Gave you so many chances, bro. I'm actually curious to see what's the original way that they wrote these codes. Um, like if it's the way that I'm writing, I feel bad for the developers, but I think it was. They could, but I wonder why they will do this. Char E1. But hey, if it works, don't touch it, for the love of God. Do 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 do. Man, there's one of the most, like, I've got some most more senior people than me. Like there are, it's quite a common thing. People that come from the university, they have this kind of mentality that they want to improve stuff and whatever, and then they come to a super shitty code base. They want to rewrite everything, and they get basically hit with a no, please, it works. Let's just it be. And uh, so the mentality starts as wow, why has no one done this? And then by the end of the first day, they are like, now I understand why no one touched this. But um, probably that's more common with shit like COBOL. To be honest, like you can get a lot of money doing COBOL, but I don't think people really want to learn COBOL. As a software engineer, you can get quite a decent job that pays okay and not have as many concerns as other jobs. Like I really like that I can get to work at basically at any time. Of course that I have meetings and stuff. But and even people from higher positions, for example, during the Holland's meetings and whatever, like doing other stuff, like cleaning the house and stuff. Man, that's some kind of stuff that people that's like lawyers, doctors can do. Chai. So one should feel blessed about being able to do that shit. Um, biggest life hack: doing stuff, doing chores during big meetings. My God, especially if I don't need to participate in them. Hmm. D9. Okay, now I'm here. I'm going to do this one. No. Ooh, okay. We're getting close to the end of it. The end of it. DC. Testing this function will be quite simple now that I'm thinking about it. I just need to go through all the possible values, and which are not that many. Well, it's a lot compared to most functions that I do, but the F3A. So if A2 char the F and 3A. Now we can go to this madness. Well, if it's sign extending, A, interesting, maybe. Oh, 165. Oh, that's up there. Oh, that's so cute. I already wrote that. Okay. Since this is such a cascading. Okay, first is 165. Okay, this is definitely a switch statement that I can see here. Mhm. Like the code looks cleaner, but damn, it's not clean at all. It's cleaner. What the freaking fuck? $24. Ah, okay. It's so goofy, man. Okay, now I understand what's being written here. So, what's going on here? It's this goofy stuff. S control, field 148, and switch GS control, field 148, right? Case, return 24. Case 2, return 1, and case 0, no, return 0, case 1. Okay. So this is 166. Allah. QP. It's just the same thing. Wait, ooh. Oh shit, I forgot this side over here. Uh-oh. So it's basically the same. So else if GS control field 148 equals I still don't know what this shit means. I think it's for the whether you're using a controller or not. I have no idea what PS2 pad is. So this is 44. Okay. So field 140. So this should build. Yes, it does. So this was easier than I thought. Now it's time for final showdown. Oh no, 164, right. But with difficulty level. So if difficulty level is 0, which I still don't know what it means, might make it modes. Who knows? It's the same shit, but with 140, it seems. Yeah. No idea what I'm looking at. But hey, it works. And then we're here. Oh my god. I feel like I've done a lot of work, but at the same time, like I did something so insignificant, like the get char index bullshit. Wait. Like if... it looks kind of different though. 166. Did I skip one? 165, 167, 165. So it's 5, 7, 6, 4. So 4, 6. Oh yeah, I'm missing 7, right? Why did I skip 7? 148. No, what? So 5 is C. Okay, I can already see the issue. Then it's 7 with 8. And 6 with 4. 6 with 4. Then 4 with 0. Yes. Oh. Wrap. Can do a manual validation too. So is it okay? So this is a really good question, and I elaborate on it on my blog. So the idea is the same behavior. That's the number one goal. But and wait, let me just stop the music because I need to think. So with small functions, so you know when you have stuff like a getter or a setter, like it can have some kind of logic though. Those are easy. I can just look at the disassembly, and even if it's a little different, I can say okay, they are basically the same. But when you have this huge one, like I haven't added unit tests, and I was thinking about adding like catch 2, for example. I haven't worked on it, and the plan for it is for December. So until December, I don't plan to add unit tests and stuff like that. So I'm just kind of YOLOing it. But the goal is that even if I don't have matching stuff, for example, let me show you non-matching code. So, okay, utils. I can go here. As you can see, I tag the function like matching. So for example, this one, I add the decoration to test so that I remember to test it later because it might have a bug. I don't know. It just means that the assembly is not the same and it's too much to hand validate. But yeah, stuff that I manually validated, I put an okay. Okay, this is matching as you can see. Okay, but I give it a test so that even though that it looks good, I should test this. But yeah, that's basically it, as you can see. But the idea is um, observable behavior. But when I realize that I can have matching code, I'll strive to get matching code because it will save me a lot of work down the line if I need to add tests. Like if I know that the two assembly blocks are the same, then I'll just be happy, you know? What the fuck is this, man? Yeah, hopefully I was clear. Um, yeah, that's basically it. It's observable behavior. It's kind of like the RE3 project, the ones that decompiled what is it called? GTA 3 and Vice City. The goal is behavior, not the matching the compilation. But when I can go for matching the compilation, I just go for it. It will just save me a bunch of work. And I'm lazy. So df 3a. Slightly, I don't know why this is different, but okay. Mm-hmm. So d9, d0. Mm-hmm. So if it's a function like a constructor, which is just assigning stuff, there's a high chance that I take a brief look at the assembly, and it might not be matching, but I know that it's basically doing the same thing. So I don't really care. But in this case, like this is a fucking huge function. Spending a little extra time will just ensure that. Oh, so here is 31, right? So look, I already caught a bug. No, this is the worst day of my life. Yeah, I could have seen that something was weird because, yeah. You see, I already caught a bug, so. I'm not really looking at, for example, these things. I'm mostly looking at here and here, like the values that are, uh, and yeah. To be. Where's brute? Where's 2D? Right here. 29. Do some for my. Okay. But yeah. Wait. You're mixing stuff. This version that I'm looking here, this is the Windows version. This is the PowerPC version. The PowerPC version, as you can see, the decompiler is a little clean, doesn't inline stuff. So sometimes I don't know if you were here yesterday, but I look at that output just to make sure. For example, let me just show you this. And sin. Okay. Here's an example of why do I use the PowerPC version. The xpoly here, this call here, render scene, got blown out. It's basically all of this here until here. This is render scene. So this is one of the reasons why I use the PowerPC version. So I know that what's in the domain of a function, and there are recursive functions that get inlined, and the code can get weird. So this helps me a lot. Um, for example, this is one of the cases where the PowerPC version is slightly different than the Windows version because this low graphics is kind of a software renderer. So this part is basically this one over here. But yeah. And here's the flip, as you can see. But yeah. So I'm going for a matching the compilation, but on the Windows version sometimes. Like, for example, I don't even care about the registers being used. I see that it's still BL, but yeah. What the hell? Okay, A7. I don't know why the assembly is slightly different. You can see, right? That when I go here, um, the fuck. Okay, okay, A5. But it looks kind of similar, but they're like the 165 thing is weird. Where is 165 though? Oh, right here. I think it's the same thing, but yeah. Low jump greater. Ooh, I think. No, it's literally the same. Oh, decrement. No. Hmm. It could explain what's going on here. So, for example, this piece of code is slightly different than what's going on here, as you can see. Uh, but wait, what the fuck? Mm, sub EAX2. What is EAX? Hmm, strange. I think there's a bug or something. Oh, yeah. Oh no, I'm using the exact same compiler. That's the thing. So there's this tool called Detect It Easy. I don't know if you've heard about it, but it's good to identify fuck, not this. It it uses some heuristics to identify the compiler and the linker. I don't have it. Okay, you can have an idea how does it look like. And for example, yeah, if you go here on the decomp me server, Detect It Easy. I think they talk about it. Uh, yeah. So for example, uh, sometimes you can even go to specific versions. So there's some undocumented stuff. For example, the Microsoft compiler and linker, they leave some versions in the exe. So you can tell exactly which compiler version and linker. And the weird thing is that sometimes you see games or tools or whatever that were built with mixed versions. So because it's weird that they use old linker and new compiler. Usually the linker is either the same version of the compiler or a little newer when you have the minor releases. Sometimes it's weird. I don't know, but it's kind of documented. I forgot the name of it, but there was a time that I was going deep into stuff, and if I'm not mistaken, Microsoft libraries sometimes even have what is it called? Forgot the name. Um, whatever. Yeah. Okay. I think this is wrong. Um, I know that DirectX also leaves some kind of symbols. Whatever. So EAX. So subtract two. But why does it think that EAX is zero here? So hmm. Do 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 do. So this is strange. Hmm. Like what the hell am I looking at? But yeah. Uh, I think it's like uh linker version secret. I don't know if it. There's a really old blog that talks about this. Now this is modern stuff. Like this is super modern. Uh, there's a there's like this blog like that was the best thing that I've ever seen. But yeah, if you want to go down that rabbit hole, it's cool. Okay, uh, jump zero. So it's not 512. So compare. Kind of speechless to what the. Now that I'm looking at this assembly, this is weird. Oh, subtract two. Maybe this is some kind of enum. And it has like powers of two. That's what I kind of expect because no subtract two. So I think the compiler knows something that it's not showing about this. This is an interesting piece of code because it knows that subtracting 2 will be 0, and in that case, it will return 1. I'm not going there. That's interesting. How does it know that? Wait, I have 2 and 1. Wait, am I an idiot? Subtract 2, subtract 2. Then 2, 4, 2, 4. Yeah. What the wait. Um, maybe I am an idiot. Yeah, 2 and 1, and it should be 2 and 4. So 4 is 0. Oh, yeah. Bro. See? This is a bug just caused by my sheer smartness. And yeah, what I was talking about, it's all undocumented. Hey, Mr. Robust. So, yeah. So I already got some bugs in this code from me, not from the game. Yeah. Okay. Let's go here. Okay, now it's doing. Now it's doing the thing. Now it's doing the thing, as you can see. Yeah. The thing. I have no idea what the fuck. Why didn't it sync? Hmm. Ah. This is one of those cases where the IDA doesn't match. I don't know why I decided to write code like this, but yeah. Oh, maybe it's no. Okay, that's fine. So for all of the functions, 66. But yeah, I don't know why. Isn't this the same? I'm not certain. No, it's literally the same, man. Why is this behaving like? Ah. Hmm. It's kind of different. Okay, so like it's like they all go down here, right? And what? What's one FC? It's 508. What the fuck? Ah, okay. Maybe it's the order that I wrote the thing. No, it's not the order. What? Wait. Yeah, maybe I need to do something drastic about this. So if GS control, I just want to see if I can get this fellow to match. So I think this is how it went. So and yep. I think this is how it went. Okay, let me see whether this changes the code. And if it's closer to matching, then I'll consider this done and move on to other stuff because I've been decompiling this for a while. And I want to get text rendering. It was 165 that I touched, right? Okay, it's this one. And oh yes. Now this is more what I like. See? Great. So this is more what I expected. Okay. So distinguished gentleman. Yes, control. And remove this. Now here's a switch statement. Incredible, man. This is how they wrote the code, by the way. What I'm doing is how they wrote it. Which is insane to think about it this way, but Um, while working on this project, I've developed this sense on what kind of C++ code generates what kind of assembly. And okay, it might not be literally what they wrote, but it must be super similar. Because this compiler is quite finicky regarding on the assembly that it generates. So, no, 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 no. Yeah, a few streams ago, I was talking about even though that I want to add that I would like to add unit tests. The reason why I'm pushing so much the date to add them is that if I get the game running, most of the tests like when that you do when creating a game are behavioral tests, like if I press spacebar, does the character jump? You know, that type of stuff. Uh, okay, okay. Uh, that's the kind of stuff uh, that I'm looking for to validate further. 6. So now jump greater to here. What the fuck? Wait, what? Wait, I have some stuff missing here, haven't I? Oh, what? What? Wait, this is what? 166? Yeah. Did I mess up the code? I think I did. Oh yeah, big time. Oh fuck, I'm an idiot. I need to. Fuck. Okay. I realized that it was looking, too strange. Right now, this one is correct. This one was wrong. This one is correct. Correct. And introducing bugs all the time. And yeah, I found basically the bug. Like, look at how many bugs I can introduce in a single function. Incredible. Worst case scenario, I'll get some wonky text, which is not the end of the world, but it sucks. Oh my god. I think now that they all connect down here to this 24, it's looking much better. Yeah, I'd give it the green light. Let's just do a final check. Oh yes. Look how many? So 4 light up. If I go here, come on, if I go here, come on, you can do it, bro. And 4. Okay. So as you can see, I have high confidence that the code is the same. Come on. And if you compare the previous version to this one is more readable, but it's still disgusting as fuck. Like, look at all of this that I did. Just okay. I can do this, can't I? Char. Nice. And nice. Did I? Oh yeah, totally. And yeah, great. Okay. Get char index. Fucking hell, man. Font get char index. This took a long. No, no, you're not crazy. This is how this is the game, how it works. I have no idea, man. Um, that's a really good question, and I'd like to understand why too. Maybe this is something about do not render texts under for a specific difficulty, so they did this. That's my best guess because I have no idea. This is one of the problems with this game is that there's weird shit going on. And when I say weird shit, look, also the labels are only one off. This is cool. So there's 4, and there's 4. Okay. But yeah, that's a really good question. But this is not the only example where it happens. There are other places where something goofy happens. Font manager. So for this stream, I wanted to do font draw, but you know, for font draw, I first need to have the fucking constructor of the font before I, because there's some funky stuff going on there. So export font. I'm not going to use my script that I created. I'm just going to raw dog this from here. The font. What the fuck? There's actually a couple. Hey, this one doesn't look hard. So let's do. So there's font and unsigned char pointer and char pointer. So signed char pointer and char pointer. And doesn't matter. I'll add small to do to both because I like to do both. Fonts. Font. Okay. Does it still build? Hopefully yes. Now, let's do this one that's easier first. I don't know what's going on with the casts. Okay. This doesn't matter. This is just vtable stuff. Where is this used? Mess CPP. It's kind of a global font, right? Huh. This is like initializing some global stuff, I think. Interesting. Maybe I can find it here or around here. So it belongs to mess. So this is definitely not a constructor that I. So just do start with this. So constructor, I think it's this one. Yeah, 50, and it's at exit and on lib name. See, is initializing the global thing. Okay, so let's do this one, right? This field 50. I have the 50 here. I do. Okay, I guess it's okay. So if I go to mess, there's like the gmess font, right? And it should call now this constructor automatically. So let's just validate this. So font. Yeah. As you can see, like for example, this one, just looking at the assembly, there's high chance that yeah, it's literally the same. The offset for the vtable is not the same. I want a matching the compilation, not a perfect match in like all the offsets and stuff. And yeah, I think this is what's going on. Non-lib name. It also does the had the at exit stuff back there though. So it had like not here. Fuck. This one. At exit, it doesn't. Oh, this is the destructor. Yeah, so it calls the destructor at exit. So I don't know how to call the destructor. I already added the destructor, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, as you can see, it's right there, the destructor. But yeah, this is the kind of stuff that I wouldn't bother too much. For example, the at exit stuff only happens when I close the game. So whether the game releases the resources or not, I don't really give a fuck. Matching. So commit font void. Now time to do the other one. The one that takes two arguments. And it's funny that the PowerPC version either doesn't see the types that are being passed. So I think the third argument is actually the text. Oh, no. Whatever. Yeah, I'm just looking here. Okay, sliced image. I guess loading the font. So a font for reference looks like this. This was done by Zedek. So I guess what this is doing is loading multiple sliced images of this. So for each letter, you can see. I think this is what's going on here. I can be wrong though, but yeah. Maybe. I have no idea why wouldn't you want to render text. Oh, set char map. I need to be careful when stuff is inlined. I don't want to spend time, redoing. Like, if I know that a function is inlined, I usually try to do the inline function first and then go to the calling function. Just saves a bunch of time. And yeah, amazing. What else do I need? Yeah, font, citar. Font, this is wrong, this is unsigned char. Okay, it can be const, I don't really care. But yeah, for example, to copy this piece, I'll just do a Control-C, Control-V. But here, this is the function that got inlined. If you see here, like set char map. And yeah, I don't need to do it myself. But yeah. Load images stubbed. Maybe I need to fix some stuff here. It doesn't look good. But this looks pretty simple. What's up with the null subs but down there? Also null subs here. Looks like it takes an argument, so to help my case I should add this. Ah, fuck off, man. Yes you can. Oh no, of course it can't. So can do int, comma. Oh fuck, no. So yeah, that's why it didn't work. So it move ECX. Okay, I think this is a discal. Yeah, okay. This was definitely a discal, as you can see. Okay. I don't care. This is probably a sliced image, but okay. Let's do this. So no shame, copy pasting. For example, it happens that even though that I'm assigning fields in this order, the compiler might reorder stuff. And to this day, I still don't know what makes the order be a type way, to be honest. So first step is to make sure that this builds. So A2, A3. That's a really good point. So A2. Okay. That's interesting. I like to see the... What? So PBX. I think this might be weird. Okay. Actual build. String copy. From... Oh yeah. Hill 38. I don't know why I put there 16. Let me see. Maybe I just YOLO'd the number. Maybe not. So 16. Go on, and yeah. And when accessing class variables, I always put the this behind for two reasons. It's easier to find stuff when grabbing and whatever. Number two, on my day-to-day job, I have this rule, and yeah, okay. What the fuck? Why does Ida doesn't complain? Oh, I know. It's because I... Wait a minute. Uh, Yesterday I pressed to hide the casts, so I think that kind of explained a lot of what was going on. Okay, no problem. But yeah, so I have this rule in my in the code and in the repository that I work at that it must you always must access stuff through it through a this. So if that's how life goes, that's how life goes. I do not complain, to be honest. I kind of like that rule now because static stuff, aka globals, they must you can't put these behind. So it it's kind of a two-way street in that regard. So for example, here, as you can see, it moves to EBX, but yeah, the more code that I'll add here, the better it will look. So this thing is get char map, if I'm not mistaken, or set char map. So it's set char map. Okay, this set char map 0. And I learned something interesting is that this inline only works inside of the same file. So for stuff outside file, um, oh maybe this 58. Oh yeah, now I realize something. So this 58 is from set char map because as you can see, it's from 58 equals. Okay. Um. Yeah, let's keep going. So 48. So times 8 plus 8. So this is the common plus 1 stuff. I have no idea what it is though. I know that each entry might be like 8 bytes plus something. What do you have to say? Yeah, okay. um yeah. I don't know why I gave it that type, but okay. We see mem new. Oh, I don't know if memory allocation is working though, because I have quite a few not okay, seem okay to be honest. Yeah, yeah, I don't know how if this is working or not. But yeah, I don't like the fact that this needs memory allocation now that I'm looking at it. This means that to get fonts done, I might need to fix memory allocations. Well, if that's what it takes, then that's what it takes. Okay, I think this will assign fine. Void pointer to static casts. Sure, do your thing. I have no idea what these are. Maybe I do. Hmm. Yeah, basically halfway there. Thing is that this part I think will be easy, but this looks grueling. I hate dealing with globals to be honest. 8, 9. No, it's the here it's doing a plus. I'll create a clut. It's doing it. Okay. What the hell? Pal init. Pal pack. Oh no, pack. Fuck. Okay, apparently there's more stuff that I need to do. Integer and integers. These are two integers. Interesting. Mm-hmm. Get free 16 slots. Yeah. I don't know if I have that function done though. Get free. Oh, I don't. Yeah, okay. Looks like I have other stuff to do before I get fonts done, but I'll finish the constructor and then I'll need to go into these uh, functions. But okay. Um, what the hell? Get clothes. Hmm. Okay, A1 doesn't do shit. Ah, G plot related 1, vehicle related 2. Where does this function belong though? Just PS2 funcs. My god, that's a huge file that I worked a long time ago. When I don't know the names, I just call it related. So I know where I first found it. Just to avoid that stuff called unks. I know. Um, export done. So now, oh, only 2? What do you mean redefinition? Oh yeah, that's true. External. Alrighty-o. So these get no. I need to look at what's going on here. Oh my god. Yikes. Yikes. This looks disgusting. I have no idea what this is, but oh no, of course it's only referenced here. Of course, of course. And I need to go here to take a look on. Okay, 16. Yeah. B12. So each color is 16. That's basically, I think, what's being said here. So I think this, yeah, unsigned short pointer. I'm so confused by. Or if I put this as an unsigned sign pointer, this is how it looks like. Just divides everything by 2. Yeah. Sliced image set data. Right, I've done it, right? The bitmap. Yeah, I've done this. To 3. So what is going on with 3 here? Oh, it's just copy stuff. Okay. Some kind of buffer then. I don't know. Amazing. Just need to go a little sliced image related. Yes. You can see right here. Amazing. So we now know that this is unsigned short. Okay. Yep. Looks good to me. No. What should I listen to now? Let's listen to slide. I don't like this. Okay. It's not that hard to see what's going on, but damn. Hmm. I think I've done this. It was a weird one. Like this one, now it's doing the math again. Like it's undoing the math and just doing it again. Annoying. So V8 plus V10, it's equal to clut. Yeah. Okay. This is some goofy shit. Sometimes I need to read multiple times, or else, Jesus. No. Be 0 error. Wait. Why is that guy used though? 37. One. Image frontals. Okay. Got you, homie. Plus 2? Oh, yeah. I don't know why this is the thing, but heck yeah. Back to illegal indirection. My ass. My ass. Every point this is. Oh, yeah. Doesn't matter. Let's just do it this way. Nice. Oh my god. This is amazing. This is exactly what I wanted to see. No cap, for real, for real. See how disgusting the code looks now here? Yep. Couldn't wish for a worse thing. Now, there's load image stuff. Okay, get clut. Mm-hmm. Alrighty, let me just check something on my phone. Mm-hmm. Mm. Alrighty. Okay. I've checked everything that I need to see. Okay. Now, time for load image. Okay. I think I need to go to PS2 funcs. Okay. So print stubs. Yeah, okay. So let's just do load image. Now, interesting. Hmm. If I change the signature, would it be too different though? Man, that file load image A? What? What? Font tool 58. What? There's no load image A. What? Where the, is it because it's fuck man. Okay. Goofy ass shits. Yeah, okay, because of the Windows API. Amazing. It doesn't change this at all. Just surprising though. Font. Okay. Uh perfect. Now some more insanity and go down here. Okay. Hmm. What's for C? Oh, maybe this is the font file. Maybe. Oh, I haven't done this part. I need to do. Yeah. Before I can do font rendering. Yeah, okay. I haven't done the PRE stuff, but okay. This is basically where what the Zedek was talking about, if I'm not mistaken. Glyph count for each glyph. So what I need to do is create here s font entry uh with 8 bytes. That's it. Now go back on sitar. So s font entry point. So yeah, 8, that's fine. Don't care. Low byte. So field for low byte. Okay. I need to do this. Okay. This. Gap 5, gap 6. What's V12? A2 plus 2. Fucking hell. Let's just assume that we can know what that is. Okay. Field 0. Is this correct? Yes. Wow. Oh, but this is a pointer to something apparently. V16. Oh, okay. So this is a point to sliced image 2. I'm calling kind of a, I think those, yeah. This is much more readable. I don't know. This looks like kind of duplicated. Oh, mm, like yeah. Okay. Let's do it here too. I have sliced image. Sliced. Oh, I do. So S font entry. So actually I need 1, 2, 3. And this is a sliced image too. Voila. Mem delete. Amazing. Oh, okay. Apparently, it is unsigned short. What the fuck? Hmm. Okay, let's just move down here. Okay, let's do S font entry then. Hmm. So sliced image 2. Okay. Now we can slice off, slice the image too. Let's do it this way. Okay, now it looks good. So let's go here. 44. Oh, can't I? Oh, this is an S font entry. What the fuck? S font entry. I think I know what's going on. Uh, nice. I have no idea what that is coming from. Yep. Delete this field 48. The image. It's literally this. I forgot this. Voila. Now let's run this, release, spider exe. Amazing. So that I have what is it called? Not the mark point. Fuck. Checkpoint, yeah. I love this so much. Uh wait. I have wait. I forgot that I have Tony Hawk Pro Skater types. Oh my god. This is exactly what I needed. um Good. Now I need to do this stuff here. Mhm, mhm, mhm. Um, what if interesting? It's also like this here. Mhm. The difference of font loading from the normal one to this one is crazy. And then also there are different functions though according to this. Mm, so these functions don't seem to have anything extra, right? Maybe I can start Ghidra and find out what it is. There's not really much reason to do this besides just completeness sake. I just learned that I have to font rendering will take a jiffy more than I thought. Oh, um, look at this get chart index. Oh wow, Ghidra has a really clean decompilation. Okay, so this was how it looked like before. Num charts. Okay. Where the hell is? Oh, I need to do. Wow, this is a big help. Not gonna lie. Where the hell is the constructor? Am I dumb? Dumb. Nice. RGB shadow. Wow, I can do this. So, num chars. font character. It didn't change shit, which is cool. I have a bunch of names here. So, scale. Just X. Oh, that's part of image. Okay. How can I go? So, I have no idea what 19 is. Yeah, it doesn't look like it, but could be. Could be. So, shaded. Just name stuff in the meantime so that I'll have a better time next stream. And this didn't call the base sliced image stuff. Or maybe it did. Fuck. It looks like it was in. Wait, this font? No. Oh, never mind. Okay. Just check sliced image here. And I'm getting a ton of information, so where I move. Sliced image. Two? No. No. This one. Oh yeah, I completely forgot why I was doing this. Fuck's sake. Pack and remove from memory. Pack and remove from memory. Mm. Is that a it's a sliced image thing? Okay, now I've got names. So I can add it right here. Mhm. The first is pack, right? Yeah, makes sense. Kind of curious to see what will be generated. Mm. Not that I'm taking longer here, but it's for a good cause. Okay, no problem. What else do I need here? Nothing, right? Oh yeah, 4C. It's num chars, right? Yeah, num chars. Nice. Now if I do F7, yes. Field names for fonts and size image. Journal source. At least I know what was the intent with the code before. Okay. Now it's time to add that this piece of code is bullshit over here. So let's also see what get clut is uvar. Oh man, it is not used. It's a sign, but this doesn't seem to ever be a sign though. Types, but oh wait. No, it's all good. It's I like how it goes from batshit crazy, like M underscore to not respecting it. But okay. Shit, what's going on? Okay, font tool shift in. Yes, but now the code looks much more readable. Now I can go on in my life. You're going for H. But here it looks like, oh. Here it is slightly bigger. But yeah, okay. Doesn't matter. I'll keep it that way. Maybe they wanted to save some space. Crazy. Something short to listen to now. It's not me. Okay, whatever. This doesn't seem to match with it. 8. Width, height, okay. Slice width, slice height, BPP, clot. That I had done this though. So the third is the width. Yeah, that's a BPP. Zero. It doesn't do shit with the clots. But yeah, this basically checks out what ZX said. Like this width divided by 4. I got pinged somewhere. Okay, Vodabay. Hmm, weird. Does it build? Yes, it does. Want to do this right from the start. I yeah with divided. Ah, maybe he's right. It's basically the same thing, but slightly different. Maybe it's the original font character stuff like this one. Baseline. WH baseline. Hmm. Whatever that is, baseline. I don't know why there's two widths, to be honest. Let's just call it this. The cool thing is that I can go here, F7, and I have an error. So W. So 6 is baseline. S data glyph. Crazy shit. And height and baseline and width. Void, validate. Man, I did not expect to have to write so much stuff, so much code. But yeah, just shows that sometimes I'm an idiot. I actually thought that it was just doing the constructor or one of the functions and then go straight into rendering. But I didn't know that I had so much stuff missing. So I need to go back to file rendering and yeah. So yeah, no problemo. Then that's what happens. Like when I get text rendering, it will make sure I will probably get file loading done 2 by then. So in a way, it will make it easier to spool files, which will be needed for spooling PSXs. So yeah, so spend a little time here to get more time later. That's how it rolls. What the fuck? Yeah, oh yeah, the Portuguese Tax Authority website is down. I was so confused why I was saying that. Small. Oh, I like this song, but damn. Is there like any kind of playlist that YouTube can generate super quick? I'm tired of this. What the fuck? Where is it? Okay, here's the playlist. Okay, I don't really care. Just want to listen to something. This is crazy. I was sold as a insane char, but nope. Interesting. Seems kind of different. Okay. So s data glyph. Oh, this should just be a redefinition. Redefinition. Okay. Fuck this shit, man. Am I missing? can just do this j period. Okay. Yeah, okay. Mm. Oh yeah, forgot this and done. Oh yeah, forgot about H. Shit's all over the place. I have done this. Oh, on the phone. Oh. Jesus fucking Christ. So I need to do now this part over here. Um, okay, let's do it this way. Right. It's better to do it this way so that I'm super clear again. Oh, I understand, but okay. I'm going to fix it now. Shit's all over the place. So I just need to take this from here, p image, not again. Now this is the last one. Okay. Mm-hmm. 21 4 times p glyph 0 m size. Yeah. Okay. Here like this. 0 0 for this clut 1. There's one extra for some reason, and this should be done. I guess no errors. That takes. I'm passing one extra parameter. So v21. I forgot something. Oh yeah, I forgot the Oh, that's num charge. That's not zero. Fuck. But this is the last one, right? Or the first one? It's the first one. Okay. Here it's like saved in memory though. Not in memory, but hmm, nice. The fuck, they are. Okay, slice width. Okay, so it adds like a dummy thing in the end for some reason. The eye, easy eye. Yeah, okay, perfect. Yeah, I don't need to do that part because the behavior is the same. Nah, not going to rewrite this shit. Fuck it. Okay. Jesus Christ. Okay. Hmm. I need to. So, small change. Uh, char slice width. The divide by 4, it's weird, but it's how it goes. Ah, okay. Totally different. Okay, I think they did some kind of funky stuff. I think this is fine. This should be my. Oh, now it's doing that. Ah, okay, so that happened naturally. The stunting shit. Okay, amazing, amazing. Okay, okay. I have high confidence in this, so let's just go here. Oof. Okay, git status, git commit, font. Kind of weird that yeah. Let me now save stuff. Like I don't need git right now. Um, by adding local variables, it fixed. I think everything will be fine. Oh god, I really missed the stream where it was simple. Spider. Okay, good. Oh fuck, I shouldn't have killed this. But okay. How many did I do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kind of 6. So not really 10, but that's sometimes happens. So um let's push. Ah fuck. But I still have to do some stuff related to loading files and stuff, so no problem. I need to do it tomorrow. It'll just take a while, but eventually I'll do it. And so I think probably font rendering will take easily like 1 extra week. Just for all the craziness. Should I do font draw tomorrow? Like just for the fun of it? Like it's a big function. Hmm. I've seen this. Okay. This is a big function, but if I do it, there's a high chance. No, it won't be done. So should do the rest and then mess draw text, and I think it will be good to go. But yeah, kind of expected to have it done today. I did not realize how far behind I was in terms of a lot of scaffolding, but that's not a problem. Yeah, thank God I gave myself a month to do the model preview, because when I have the model preview, the rest will just fall into place. But yeah, um, but yeah, so let's just do the backup for this, and then close the stream. Thank everyone. Oh shit, never mind. Shouldn't have saved that, but no problem. So yeah, I'd like to thank everyone that came to the stream. Yeah, but yeah, see you on next stream. Next stream I'll do more scaffolding and more stuff so that I can get font rendering. I kind of expect to have font rendering probably by the end of next week. So then I'll have like a week to do PSX pooling and stuff. That might take a little while. And yeah. But yeah, so that means that yeah, it will actually I'll be on time with the model preview stuff. But yeah, I thank again everyone that dropped by the stream. So Tommy Brun, Mr. Robust, yeah, and TMX. I don't, this guy just popped in and went out. But yeah, have a nice one, everyone. See ya.